Hi everyone, today we're making toshikosi soba from Demon Slayer. This is very easy to make. It only takes around 30 minutes to make this dish. So let's get started. First, let's start with the kakiyage. Slice the white onion in half and thinly slice it. Same goes with potatoes. Just thinly slice it with the same amount of thickness as the white onions. For the carrots, I'm just going to use half of it. Going to peel off the skin. Thinly slice it with the same thickness as our potatoes and white onions. Just going to set this aside for a bit. Soak it in water so that it doesn't oxidize. To make the tempura batter faster, here I have a pre-mixed tempura flour. In a bowl, I'm just adding a half cup of the tempura flour. Then I'm going to slowly add nice cold water. Mix and keep adding more water until you get this type of consistency. In a plate or a bowl, like I have here, place the vegetables all together. And slowly add the tempura batter. And mix it with your hands or your chopsticks. It's okay if you don't use all of the tempura batter here. At least we have some extra. After mixing it all together, it's time to fry these in batches. In a hot pan, I'm going to add some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, it's time to fry the kakiyage. Fry these for 3 to 4 minutes on each side so that it's crispy. The anime version looks so much better than what I did here. Anyway, after frying these, place it in a plate with a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Then we set aside this afterwards to make our soba. To make the toshikosi soba, grate a small amount of daikon radish. Couldn't find any daikon radish, so I'm just using a Korean radish instead. Now place the grated radish in a bowl and soak it with water to remove the pungent odor. Set this aside for now as it's time to cook the soba noodles. To make the broth here, I have a pot with simmering water. Add a tablespoon of dashi powder, teaspoon of soy sauce, which I probably added too much here, and some mirin. Give it a mix to dissolve the dashi powder. So here's the part where I screwed up the most. So please don't imitate me here. Cook the noodles and the broth separately. For the soba noodles, you can just cook this for around 2 minutes and wash it with cold water afterwards. Grab yourself a bowl and pour over the dashi stock. And lay the soba noodles. Remove the soaked radish from the water. Place it on top of the noodles. Add some spring onions in the kakiyage as well. And here's Rengoku's toshikosi soba. Some fun facts about this dish: the Japanese usually eat this on New Year's Eve as a symbol of good luck. So if you need some kind of good luck charm, try making this at home. If you like this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.